Good morning, friends. Myself Dinesh from Fundamental Research. I'll be talking about the bank's Q1 results review. So, for the banks under coverage have shown earnings growth of 3.5% on aggregate basis. This was in line with our estimates. However, public sector banks reported a poor set of numbers as their earnings have declined by almost 7% YOY. Private sector banks have reported a healthier growth of 24% YOY in their earnings. In case of public sector banks, the earnings growth was poor mainly due to three reasons. Firstly, the operating performance was quite weak. The net interest income growth was in low single digits. Secondly, the provisions continue to remain high as the banks have reported higher slippages during the quarter. And also the operating expenses for the public sector banks have increased because of pension provision towards pension and other wage hike related provisions. Whereas in case of private sector banks, even the net interest income growth was quite healthy. However, the key disappointment during the quarterly performance came in from the asset quality side. The asset quality for public sector banks has deteriorated quite sharply on a quarter-to-quarter basis. All the major PSU banks have reported increase in NPAs compared to Q4 FY14. Therefore, that led to increase in provisions, which ultimately impacted the profits. This quarter's the public sector banks and private sector banks results were also aided by higher increase in the treasury profits, though we believe that is not going to sustain going ahead due to increase in the bond yields. So, as far as the outlook for the sector is concerned, we have a cautious outlook on the sector. We believe that the recent steps taken by RBI with regard to liquidity tightening measures and also due to weakness in the economy, we believe that the public sector, the earnings of the banks, especially public sector banks, is expected to remain under pressure. That is why the BankEx has underperformed the Sensex with quite a significant margin. Though the stock prices have corrected quite sharply, which partly reflects the concerns with the public sector banks. We believe that going ahead, rise in bond yields and also due to asset quality pressures, the earnings of public sector banks will remain subdued. In case of private sector banks, we believe their earnings and their NPS will see some pressure, but it will not be as high as public sector banks. So we have a positive bias on private banks, except for the new banks like Yes Bank, which will be higher impacted by the liquidity issues. For overall for the sector, we have a cautious view, but we recommend ICICI and SBI since these stocks have corrected quite significantly, and these banks are having a strong liability base. Thank you.